Hey Celia, show me a Sudoku Medium. Yes, today we have only one regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Medium in today's newspaper on Monday, September the 20th, 2021. I've told you only one regular Sudoku. By the way, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have not so good news, only one regular Sudoku Medium Sudoku we have. What I will do is I will continue with the rest of the puzzles, and I have solved all the old newspaper, and I can only find the Thursday, September the 9th. So it's 11 days back, and I have 4 Sudokus left. 1 star, 2 stars, tectonic, and a binary puzzle. But first we will solve this medium Sudoku, and this will be a number 3418. Alright, before I start I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this will be a 1 star. And then for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 5. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then, I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, therefore should be here. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 4. How about these two numbers in the middle row? 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. 1, 8, 9. Okay. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 missing numbers in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. The 9. Okay, 7 and an 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Okay. 1, 2, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are not used. Missing the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Let me focus. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and 5, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about? Let me see. 3, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see a 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So first column, only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are not used. Okay, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the Threes are used. I can see. Digit number three. Okay. Two numbers left in this big square. 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9. 1 and a 9. Okay. How about those two missing numbers in the first row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. Okay, so we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. All right. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in the third column. 4 in the second column. 4 in the third column. 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this big square. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. We see here 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Yeah, definitely a 1 star. Faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Heavy, for the Medium, for the Light, for the quintuplet, and I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Playlists for the tectonic, binaries, quintuplets, killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And later on, I will continue with the rest of the puzzles. Yes, not of yesterday's edition, no. 11 days ago, September the 9th, Thursday. 4 Sudokus are left. So later on, until then, bye bye for now. Celia, hey Celia, show me a Sudoku Medium. Bye bye for now.